Okay, so we should be recording. Are we red down there?
No, we ain't.
Are we red down?
We're green, bro.
Oh, this man green.
We're green.
Okay, all right, so we're good. Okay, all right, so good morning. Let's get our heads up, gentlemen. I know we're struggling. This morning. I got up at 4 this morning, and I said, we got to get after the second period. So we're going to see. Everybody's tired. Everybody's frustrated because we stayed up watching the election results last night and that. But today we're going to talk about something else that was very serious in American history. And I know you're saying to yourself, Schattle, why does this matter? Okay, we got the Great Depression. My grandparents went through the Great Depression. They were children during the Great Depression. Okay, and I can kind of talk a little bit about that, but I want somebody to read our content objective up here. Great, thank you, Ms. Chapman. All right, can somebody read my language objective?
Students discuss the root cause of listening to interviews from the Dust Bowl and make their own judgment of the economic
Okay, all right, so that's what we're going to be doing today. Okay, well, I'm only here half the class. At first I was planning on doing 90 minutes, but I got another meeting I got to get to. Okay, so we're going to do this. This is what you're going to do with me. And I'm teaching you a method called talk, read, talk, write. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go over I'm going to show you some pictures. Okay, so I want y'all to look at these pictures. I'm going to give you some paper. All right. So all I want you to do is with your people. Raymond, can you get with that group? Okay. All right. I'm going to give you some paper, and I want you to just look at these pictures. Okay. And you're saying, Schattle, why are we doing this? We're going to explain it in a minute. I want you to write down what you see. Okay, and then I want you to discuss with your group members what you see in these pictures. Because you might see different things. One person might see one thing, another person might see another thing. And you might say, Schattle, why does this matter? Why does this matter? Well, I'm going to give you about 5 minutes. I'm going to set a timer. Okay? I'm going to set a timer. And we're going to go. Because there's a lot of things. And if you can't see, it's okay. You can move up here if you can't see. All right? Trust me, it all is going to make sense. It's all going to make sense. Appreciate you. All right. Mr. Adams. Thank you, sir. All right. Thank you, ma'am. You're going to look at that picture, those 3 pictures, and good. You already got a pencil. Appreciate it. I want you to think about what emotions you see in those pictures. What are they doing? I want you to describe it, and then I want you to talk after you've written down those words. What are you seeing? Now remember, we want to stop and not use profane language. We know that. We got better adjectives that we can use. I'm making you prepare for the workplace. I can't curse at my workplace, but you know you can't curse at your workplace. We're students here. When you go to your home campus, those are those expectations. So we got that timer going. Okay, we're going in our head. Well, just hold on 1 second. 1 second. We're going to wait after this activity. Okay? Don't worry.
I'll take it when you're done.
Okay? What do you see in these pictures? What are the people in picture 1? This is picture 1. Oh, let me go back. I apologize. Listen, picture 1, picture 3. What are you seeing? I know it's kind of hard to describe what the middle picture is, but that first and that last picture, they're doing some things. So write down what you think, what you see in each picture. So write picture 1, I see these items. These are my emotions that I'm seeing. This is what I think they're doing. And because it's all speculation, we haven't even discussed what's going on. Okay? So just kind of take that time, write down those emotions. And if you don't feel comfortable writing, you're going to discuss amongst your group members here shortly. All right? But I just want you to get your ideas straight. So picture 1 and picture 3. Focus on those actions. Focus on those actions. Give you about 1 more minute. Picture 1 and picture 3. Okay? Picture 1 and picture 3. Looking at some of y'all's emotion of what you're saying, and I'm impressed with some of the things that you're seeing. Because I didn't even think about that, to be honest with you. I didn't think about it. So I'm seeing some good things. And I want somebody to be the person. Do we have a dry erase? Okay, perfect. All right, so I'm gonna have picture one. Can I have somebody come up? And I'm not worried about spelling. I'm just worried about getting it done. So picture 2 and picture 3. I want somebody to come up and write what they write. Well, actually, let's do this. Let me do this first. Talk amongst your group. Now that we've written, talk amongst your group. What do you see in picture 1? Let's discuss picture 1 now at this time with your group members. They're being thankful, okay? With your group, guys. With your group. You can talk to your partner to the side, or you can talk amongst each 4. We've got to be able to collaborate. This is a skill that you're going to use on your job. Okay? You've got to be able to collaborate and talk with folks. That's why we're doing this. Not for just any reason. What are y'all seeing in this picture? Picture 1. What are you seeing? Okay, provided with food. Okay. All right. Stefan, you said they're being what now? Earlier? Thankful? Okay. What are some other things we're seeing? Patient. Okay. I didn't even think about that. Because you see a what? What do you see? What kind of?
That's what I put on my paper. Yeah.
Say it again. You see what?
I see patience. I see a lot of people. I see long people waiting in line.
Long people waiting in line. What do you think? What do you think they're receiving?
Free donuts.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, how did you come to that? How did you come to that conclusion? That sign. See, I didn't even notice the sign. See, these pictures are telling you the story of what's going on. Okay? Free cup of coffee, free donuts. For who? For the unemployed. Look at that. We're already learning about the Great Depression. What are some things that you can understand and kind of get in that just from these pictures?
They were poor.
They were what? Poor? Lost jobs. Okay? So we haven't even talked about what we're going into the lesson, and we're just showing these pictures, and we're already starting to get into what was going on during the Great Depression. We had lost jobs. We had high unemployment. We had people that had to stand in line for what?
Donuts and coffee.
For food. For food. Okay? So who's providing that stuff? Who do you think's giving that stuff out?
The government, right?
Exactly. The government's having to do that. Or other organizations, right? Okay? So we're going to discuss that. What do you think this lady's emotions? I know it's kind of hard what she's going through. We don't really know, but
She's thinking.
She's thinking. But she kind of what? Confused, maybe. What are some other things she might be going through? Depression. Because when you're struggling, what are you in? You're in depression. Are you happy about what you're doing, going through? No. She might be saying, "What? Lord help me." Right? Okay. Let's be school appropriate. All right. School appropriate. All right. School appropriate. Okay. So let's think about this. All right. We're going to pause this right now. We're going to pause it, okay, for a minute, and then we'll go to the restroom break.